So I have a son that's extremely difficult to buy for Christmas because he has unique taste. He's online a lot doing Zoom meetings, and he likes to have weird things in the background so his customers say, "Hey, what's that?" So I decided this year I'm going to take this Ferret speaker tester model 721 and convert it into a magic light box. So I maintained the original cool chicken head red knobs. This is power on. This adjusts the intensity of the incandescent lamp. This one turns on the light chaser, and this is speed. The heart of this is a circuit board that I designed over 20 years ago. Let me show you the insides. Alright, here is the insides of the Ferret Magic Light Box. It's sitting here running. The main power is 120 volts, which feeds the incandescent bulb. Then I have a 9 volt wall wart that feeds a control board, which runs the light chaser. So as I said, I made this board. It's hand etched about 20 years ago. And there she is running. The output transistors are ECG 152s. I don't have this documented, but I could reverse engineer it if you're interested in making one of these. Well, there it is, my Christmas gift for my son. A unique device. Hopefully he gets a kick out of it. I know I did building it. Hope you enjoyed.